Acheti.
Youtin Rache Sirafurat, Siratit Abastasi.
Okay.
Youtin Masanu Ket. You know Masanu?
Wait.
Translate Masanu. What's the meaning of Masanu? Translate.
एक second.
Masanu.
Okay. Yuti Seda Kiniaf Nidufa Kinia Kufi Ababa Manana Ko Rachi.
Maljit.
Okay. Yuti Sidha Kineaf Nidofa Kinana Kofi Ababa Manana Ko Rache.
Abba Rache na Abba Manaketi.
Sing a song, not chicken banana. यार तुम कब आए डैडी? मैं ट्रांसलेट कर रही थी. डैडी यार दिहाड़ी लगा दे प्लीज, हालात सही नहीं है आज के थोड़े. आप में 6 मैं जली.
शिवानी.
Yes, Ashley.
Dada je rime dada, say dada. You know dada?
No.
Say dada.
No, I will not say. You dada.
Dada.
You. Okay. Yuti Sida Kin Yafni Dufa Kinana Kofi Ababa Manana Korache. Okay?
Okay. No, okay. How much punishment?
The dada means butter. Yeah.
Dada is cow. You know cow? The milk. After that,
Butter. And that's what you are doing right now, honey.
Profile. Youth is picture profile.
Yuti. Listen.
Yeah.
Rache.
Listen. So that's why you afraid, wallahi. You afraid. So if he may win, you are Youth's picture in the Rachu's picture to profile. Okay?
Listen. Rache na vaami ini Yuti oboboliti isajeda.
No.
Yes.
Yuti is not Rachu's sister.
Last day.
Aren't you crazy? No.
That day you were saying Rache and Yuti sister.
No.
Okay, then bye.
Yuti is Rachu. You also.
I know Rachu's taste bad.
Hey, best friend. Now we go every day. Listen. Me in the Rachu come Dubai. Okay? The next day. The next Torban of you. Okay? See, رجعت لدي رجعت يوم لدي. Okay? Me, you, Youtis and Rachu. أنا سوي مثالها جارثوما. Okay? After that, Rachu married you in the Yuti one day. Okay? Aruz. Bigger. No problem. Okay?
Doctor.
Akam zanyi fayyana.
Ma so taphattanii gastira nama gashuu jalqabdanii.
Haalli jijjiirame bar. kun afri abata kata kenna ka family am.
You know, I blocked him. He's blocked.
Namni kun afri abata kata kenna.
It's me.
Namni kun afri ka waqa unjiru.
Lead. Toko video lead.
Fen.
ዝቅለኔ ብርቅ አይደለም መቀደሙ በመንገዴ መታለፉ አይከፋኝም ማለት
Toko.
You cry.
Me don't cry for losers, okay? I don't cry for losers anymore. If somebody don't know me, I don't give a F for that thing, okay? Okay, remember this. I'm Shivani. I'm not someone in front of other guy. I will say, I don't know who's Rachi. I never said that.
Shivani.
He's the biggest cheater in this entire world. Remember that.
Shivani.
Listen, my brother, listen. Rachi was my friend. Now he's not my friend anymore. Okay? He was saying to Yuti, his sister Yuti, he was saying, I don't know Shivani. Tell him, I know Shivani, but she's not my caliber. Okay? Because I deserve someone loyal. I deserve someone good from heart, not fake like him. Okay? I hate fake friends. So he's not my friend anymore. Okay, Habibi? You are my brother. If you will lie in front of somebody else, no, I don't know Shivani, then I will block you also.
No fake. Rachu is true love for you.
Okay, Habibi?
Okay? I tell you, Rachu, me and you, Rachu, call messenger group.
Oh, he's blocked. He's blocked from everywhere.
No.
Actually, he's blocked.
Don't do
Guys,
that.
मैं उससे इस तरीके से इसलिए बात कर क्योंकि उसकी इंग्लिश खुद खराब है तो मेरे को जज करने से पहले 100 बार सोच लो मैं उससे क्या बात कर रही हूँ उल्लू के पट्टो कंजरो यस टेल मी
Don't do that. Don't block. I talk Rachu.
डोंट टॉक टू हिम ही इज नॉट माय लेवल सॉरी
No, you love. But he train.
नेवर एवर
He train for you.
guy
No.
tell him he's not my level
حبيبتي youth run training already for weda.
what
Are you now training?
Habibi?
Training. Rachu is
Nah.
training on UT. After that, married you. Do you understand?
listen Asli I'm not stupid okay Habibi I'm not stupid okay
See?
I will find
Never
new
give up, okay?
handsome guy from Utopia and wait and watch in front of your eyes I will find new guy from Utopia my god handsome
is
guy
that?
height
Who is that?
6'2"
Who is that?
inshallah one day inshallah one day
Tap your family.
tap your family tap your
Tap your together. What Dutch?
please follow me I want to send you guys I don't know who is he listen she is like that she is fake
خليتي أمر شباني. Profile. What? He come back inshallah. He come back for you.
I don't want sorry I
Kune mo
deserve
shabaran Oromo undi argatu.
I deserve
Don't have
most
this to touch you.
handsome
Come
guy
back.
in this world, okay?
Hindi,
I
biya.
deserve some.
Shivani, ጉድሽ ፈላ። ማን ነው ሽባኒ?
ምን
ሽባኒ ጉድሽ ፈላ ይኛል እዚህ ጋር ምን እንደሆነ አላውቅም። ማን ነው ሽባኒ?
ማን ሰው ኮመንት አድርጎ ነው?
አዎ ሽባኒ ጉድሽ
ሰው ዝም ብለው እኮ ነው በቃ ኮመንት የሚያደርጉ ልጅ ይገርሙኛል እኮ ከየት እንደሚያመጡ እንትን በቃ ኮመንት እኔ በጣም በቃ ሁሌ ያለው ኮመንት የሚያደርጉ ልጆች ሀሳቡ ራሱ ከየት እንደሚመጣላ ለየት ያለ ነገር ነው የሚጽፉት። አሁን
ምን ለማለት ፈልገው
ታያቸው እነሱ
አንተ ሽባኒ የሚባል ሰው አታውቅም አይደል?
እንትን ነው እንዴ ስም ነው። እሷማ አብሬያት ጌም እንጫወት እኔ ሌላ ነገር እንደዛ ብለው የጻፉ መስሎኝ ነው። ሰርግ ለምን ብቻሽን ሄድሽ? አብረን አንሄድም ነበር?
ብቻዬን እንኳን አይደለም። በምን አወቅ? ማን ነገር
እንዴ? ባለፈውም ኮንሰርቱ ላይ እኮ ነበርና አብረን ከርቀት እያየሁሽ ነበር።
እሱን እኮ ብቻዬን የገባሁት ግን ናኦልን አገኘሁት። እዛ ከናኦል ጋር
ከርቀት እያየሁሽ ነበር። ደህና መሆንሽ ነው።
ቴንኪው በጣም
ማንን ነው?
ቴንኪው በጣም
እኔን
የምር እኮ ነው። ሊያሳስብ እኮ ይገባል የእህትህ ደህንነት። ምን ነው
በጣም ነው የሚያሳስበኝ። ባይዘ
ወንድም ለእህቱ ካላሰብን
ማሰቤ ላይ ፎከስ ብናደርግ አይሻልም?